everybody, how's it going? So, haven't done one of these in a little while. This is an unboxing video. Last time I unboxed something, I almost had to go to the hospital thanks to this knife. Almost needed to get stitches, so gotta be careful. So, I've got a bunch of stuff here from all over the world that just showed up. Thought we'd check it out. And this is, I think I got some pedals here from Germany. Let's take a look here. My friend Christian Kola had this sent to me, and we'll see what we get here. Very curious. So this is Calartron manufacturer. Ooh, two of these. Look at this. Let's see what we get. That looks cool. Handmade in Germany. How freaking cool is that? And check this out. The ultimate death metal distortion preamp, the Gridstein. Ooh, I think this is gonna be fun. Ooh. Let's see what we get. Oh, okay, let's put this away before I hurt myself again. Naturally, I didn't actually go out and buy that knife. An American fan sent that to me. Of course it was sent to me by an American. Thanks, guys! Anyway, let's see what we get here. Let's take a look at one of these boxes. See what we get. What's in the box, man? Okay, air. Oh, I like the burlap sack. That's actually a really nice touch. Very classy. And oh, we get some stickers and whatnot. Check this out. That's pretty cool. Yeah. This is what's this say here? The ultimate death metal, the Gridstein. If you want to know more, obey the Gridstein. Okay. Now, from what I understand, this might be a valve state and a pedal. Pull it out of the bag. Let's see what we get. Ooh, look at that. That's cool. The Gridstein. Let's see what the controls are here. We've got mid-cut, grind, high, boost, master, mix, gain, bass, treble. Okay, that's definitely way too many knobs for a pedal for any bass player out there, but most guitar players should be able to get it. Oh, there's even a plus and negative switch. We've got in and out and ascend and return as well. That's actually really freaking cool. Oh, DC 9 volt only. That just looks absolutely fucking badass. I can't wait to try that out. That's going to be on an episode real soon. Keep your eyes peeled for that one. What do we got here? The most satanic distortion pedal you've ever heard, Christian Kola, aka the Goat Lord, says. Okay, what I really want to know is why do they call him the Goat Lord? Maybe some questions are better left unanswered. All right, let's pull it out here and see what we get. Ooh. Okay, oh my goat. What do we got here? Bass, mid, treble, gain, boost, and level. Looks pretty simple, you know, standard configuration, no extra connectors or whatnot. Yeah, looks pretty damn good, guys. Again, gonna try this out on an episode. Maybe we'll combine the two into one episode. That should be kind of fun. Check out what these are all about. They look cool. They look cool as all hell, and I hope that Gridstein sounds as good as it looks. But so far, pretty impressive. All right, next up. We've got something I ordered from AliExpress, and it took about 6 weeks to come in. I've never actually ordered anything from AliExpress before, so I'm very curious. Yeah, packaging looks like it might have survived. We'll see what's inside here. I'm anticipating a really kick-ass episode, actually, on this. This is, studio microphone. Professional large diaphragm studio recording microphone. Wow, never heard one of those before. Let's see what we get here. And here we go. Let's open it up. Ooh, what do we get here? We get, right on. We get the wonderful Chinese XLR to stereo mini jack that I'm never ever going to use. I don't know why the hell they insist on that. I guess maybe to go into a computer sound card, that kind of thing. We get a really small shock mount. These look very similar to the ones you get with the Roswell Mini K47. That's actually a halfway decent pop filter. Oh wow, look at that. USB to microphone and headphone. That's actually kind of neat. But this is what I paid for. This is their U87 clone. And it looks like a U87. Has the little indicator for polar pattern, like a U87, but does it sound like a U87? I don't know. Chances are, I'm gonna say probably not. Here's the thing. This is not a multi-pattern. Now, U87 is a multi-pattern mic. It'll do omni, it'll do figure eight, and it'll do cardioid. This is just a straight cardioid. It looks like an 87. It's called a U87 AI Mini. Interesting. Does it unscrew? Can we pop it open here? Can we get a look? Wow. They really didn't splurge on the electronics, did they? Holy shit. Where the hell's the rest of it, guys? course, now this microphone, I probably only paid $67 for it. Again, hopes are not high, but I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I've got a vintage U87 from roughly 1982 or 1983. It was the first really high-end microphone I ever got, and we're gonna shoot it out against this thing and see just exactly the differences we get. Super dirt cheap microphone, clone from China versus the actual real thing. It's gonna be a hell of an episode. Make sure you hit the subscribe button for that so you get notified when that episode comes out. But I can say this, having conducted the Clark Technique EQ shootout that I did last summer, is just because you make something look close to the original doesn't mean it's gonna sound anything like the original. Now, on the complete opposite end of the spectrum, we've got something from Germany from my friends over at Tegeler, and usually when it says Tegeler on the package, it means it's freaking amazing. So let's crack this open. Looks like it comes in one of these amazing wooden cases, so you know it's gonna be in good shape. Now, that's the great thing about the Tegeler stuff. You get these amazing wooden boxes that they come in. These are great for storing all kinds of stuff. I use them for storing mic cables and connectors and you name it, they're just absolutely great. So thanks for the wonderful shipping boxes, guys. These definitely make sure your product arrives in one piece. Ooh, we get all kinds of goodies here. And here we go, true to form for Tegeler stuff, we get those beautiful knobs that are just super easy to work with. Nice, easy to read VU display. Yeah, just gorgeous. This is all stepped. Oh yeah. This is the kind of analog studio gear you just dream about owning. This stuff is just absolutely freaking incredible. So, gonna have to do a full episode on this and show you guys what it's all about. Can't wait to try this out. I don't think it's tubes. I don't see any breathing. Oh, I see some breathing holes. Do we see any tubes in here? Let's take a peek real quick. Now, just taking a look in the side vent holes, I'm not seeing any vacuum tubes, so this does look to be a solid state unit, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Some of my favorite compressors are solid state units, like the Empirical Labs distressor back there that I've done pretty much every single episode of this show with. Anyway, that's it for today's episode. If you want to check out the Tegeler review, or the pedals, or that mic shootout, the really crappy U87 clone versus an actual real vintage U87, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get notified when that video comes out. And as always, get out there and make some metal, you magnificent motherfuckers.